dyno today to see what our final numbers are after install. Looking forward to it, so stay tuned, and we're going to see what horsepower we're getting. Alright guys, so we are here at Dynamite Performance. The car is getting put on the dyno as we speak, so we should have some numbers here shortly. Alright, so let's talk about these results real quick. This is video footage from our first pull stock pre-Whipple before the install. We managed to pull 444 horsepower on the very first pull, and the best pull that day was 450 horsepower. Now for today's pulls, we did a total of 3 pulls today. First one on 93 octane was 748 horsepower. The second pull was a very heat-soaked pull, but we wanted to see how much horsepower reduction we would have with the car extremely hot, and we still managed to pull 723 horsepower with that one. Our third and final pull, we did a proper cool down and also added some boost stain additive to the gasoline, and we ended up at 752 horsepower on that one. Now I'll admit these pulls do seem a little bit high for a stage 1 supercharger, but the big thing I want to focus on is the difference between stock and Whipple. That is a massive 302 horsepower gain between the 2 pulls. So if you're on the fence on whether or not a Whipple is right for you, let the numbers be the judge. So don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue the journey in modding this S650 2024 Mustang.